Okay, today we are going to have, we're going to do some research on metalinguistic awareness and how this influences or has anything to do with second language learning. The first search source that we're going to go into is the InfoCom, which is a combination of results from Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Um, we already have typed metalinguistic awareness and L2, and this doesn't show any the amount of results we got, but it's only one page, and as we see, there are several um, articles that are very interesting. For example, there is one here that says, why do L2 teachers need to know about language? That is metalinguistic awareness. Let's see what it has for us. See where it takes us. Okay, it takes us to a place where there are lots of books. It's like a library. It gives us an abstract of the, the book, and in fact, it gives us the option to download the full text. This is very interesting when you're doing research. In our case here, we're going to put this in we're going to save it in the Digo, which is all important because we need to have this article. Okay, we'll save it for later use. Correct. Now we're going to go, as you can see, we found things here. Now we're going to go to Google Scholar, which is also an important source for doing research. In this case, again, we already have a mental linguistic awareness and L2. We are going to click 2010 or maybe 2013 and see how many articles have been written about this. As you can see, there are several. In fact, how many do we have? Oh, we have 1,130 results for that. There's one, the very first one, the role of metalinguistic awareness and multilingual acquisition. Let's open this one up. This is also an article. Okay, this article is a paper in TESOL Applied Linguistics, and it's dated to 2014, which is very interesting. Let's see, it has a PDF here also. Okay, let's see how it opens. Yes, it does open. It goes to a library, a journal library, and let's wait until this article opens. Okay, here it is. Yes, it's very short. It's called The Role of Metalinguistic Awareness and Multilingual Acquisition. It's by Yi Yung Hoon. Okay, and well, we don't have time to read it now to go over that, but we are going to store it, save it in our Digo again. Okay, there it is. We save it, and there we go. Now we're going to go back and see what else we have in metalinguistic awareness. Let's see what happens if we do anytime. Okay, let's see how many articles we get for that. Many articles, well, 9,000, almost 10,000 articles, and still they're very important things here. Metalinguistic awareness, cognitive aspects of their language, cross-linguistic variations, and morphology. They're quite the development of L2 intuitions with referring to metalinguistics. So this is very important, as a source. Now we're going to go to another source, which is called ERIC. ERIC is very important because it is a huge library that has to do with education. Let's go back one, and let's see, it was here before. It's the Institute of Education Sciences. Okay, so we have this here, and we're going to do some research on this one. Let's do it 2010, last 5 years, and let's see what we got. Oh, there's something interesting here. It's metalinguistic knowledge, metalingual knowledge, and proficiency in L2 Spanish, which is great because I am a Spanish teacher. Let's see what they have to say. Okay, the full text is available on ERIC. Then we have to find out how to get this article, but we know it's here, so we can go back again. Oh, there is a direct link to the journal, and let's put it down in our, save it in our Dingo, and just check out how to get to our, okay, save. Fine, so later on we are going to do something with our Digo, so let's see what else we have under, oh, there's something here called metalinguistics. Oh, we have sort of the same articles. Let's see the latest in this. There's nothing in 2014. Okay. Fine. Okay, we could go to some other research page, but I think these three have given us some good results for starting our research. Thank you.